Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. And as you guys can see, we're about to do our Paycheck 1 budget closeout. So, child, we about to tell all the tea of what we did, okay? So, if this is your first time here on the channel, hi, my name is Anique. Welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you do find that you enjoy the content on this channel, I hope that you consider hitting that subscribe button because I would love to have you join the family. And if you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. I'm so great to see y'all. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up by clicking that like button. And leave your 2 cents down in the comment box below because we'd love to hear what you think and to help somebody else who's budgeting. So without further ado, baby, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so this was paycheck number 1 that I did, and we are basically going to go through and see if there's anything that changed while we did or checked the first time, or if anything went to a different bank account or something, some change somehow, you know, boom, bada bang. So as you guys are watching this video, I am like 3 days away from leaving home to go out of town and then to go to Canada to spend Christmas with my family. So there is packing to be done, y'all. But, you know, we are making sure that our finances are still good to go. So part of packing and leaving out of town is as well making sure that your finances are good. And so that is why we are doing, even though we're going out of town, we're still doing our budgeting videos and staying on top of things. So in today's budget closeout, my Paycheck 1 budget closeout, I did still receive the $2,900 and the $540 for my paycheck, so nothing has changed from those. Now I will fill these in later. My mortgage, I did pay the $1,410.72. That's a normal. HOA did take out their $50. Merrick, I believe I sent this money already to my dad. Let me see. Let me confirm real quick. But I honestly, like 100% believe I already sent this money. I just don't remember. So on the side, we do have the, yes, we did. We do have the iPad logged into our bank account with all the things. So we are good on that front. My Patreon for $17.50, I did pay. Pest control came out on my credit card, I believe is what I paid it on. So we're just verifying, yes. And I did pay back my credit card, the $63.73. The internet, however, I don't believe the internet has come out yet. And like I said, that's because I updated my credit card. So the internet has not come out yet, so I may have to log on to that. But since you guys are watching this and it's due on the 7th, I have to log into my bank account, and I'm going to do that today, making sure we're all good. I'll show a video at the end of this to show you guys that yes, I actually went into the account and did what your girl needed to do. So this is going to be paid because I just need to update my credit card information for it to work. Drivenly is $25. They're in the same boat as my internet. The new credit card got updated. And y'all, can you believe that I found my credit card? So I waited. I was like, I know this credit card is somewhere safe. I know it's somewhere, you know, I put it. I know, you know, no one's using it because I check my credit card daily and I get notification every time my credit card is used. So ain't nobody about to use my credit card without me knowing. And so I'm like, it has to be somewhere with me. Y'all, for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, I was just living my life. I had my debit card. I was living debit card life. And so I had no problems, no charges, nothing. When I tell you, I ordered my credit card like Wednesday morning at like 6 o'clock in the morning because I was like, let me just get this out of the way. I ordered it like 6 o'clock in the morning. No, Tuesday at like 6 o'clock in the morning. I had an appointment on Wednesday at 2 o'clock. And like 15 minutes before that appointment, I put on my uniform jacket at work. And guess what was in the pockets? Man. So I found my credit card in my uniform pocket. But now it's like of no use because again, I already ordered a new one, so that card is canceled. So I think my credit card people over me because I keep losing my card but finding it. Like, yeah, they over me at this point. But I did pay my credit card for $200, so they not that over me, you know. And I did pay my card payment because I love to pay my card payment early. So all of this still came up to $2,369.33. It still came up to that amount. Now we're gonna move down to my groceries. For my groceries, I did give myself $200 because, again, I was gonna use it for 2 weeks and then that was gonna be it. Gas, it received $80, and I gave myself that much because, again, for this month I started going to the gym. So my monthly goal of going to the gym, baby girl is doing that. So I did start going back to the gym, which means that I do start using more gas because it is across town. So next is allowance. I gave myself $15, which was used immediately. It was used immediately, y'all. There's nothing left. Toiletries got $5 because she's not, you know, she's not thinking about it. She cool, she fine. Household got $15, which she appreciates. And then hair care got $60 because before my third paycheck, because you guys have already seen my paycheck budget and cash out of paycheck 2, but my hair gets done before my third paycheck. So between my paycheck 1 and paycheck 2, I kind of stuff my hair to make sure that we're good. And so in this one I gave myself $60 because I didn't want majority of it coming out of my second paycheck. And I normally account for a portion of my hair care between my first paycheck and my third paycheck. So my second paycheck isn't really involved in my hair care process. It's just the first and third paycheck. So, but still $375. So that was good. Now my saving challenges, I did want to separate them. So what I'm gonna do is my 100 envelope, I'm gonna put that right here, and my 10 of a kind, I'm gonna put that right there. And so my 100 envelope got a $20 bill and my 10 of a kind got a $50 bill. So that lets me know the difference between who gets what, because I do have enough space for that. So that was that, and that was $70. So each of my saving challenges still got a little bit of something something, which is working out well for me. So that is that for the additional savings portion. Now we're going to move on to my car maintenance. My car maintenance did get $10, and I'm trying to figure out if my car maintenance will include like my car insurance, or should I make a separate envelope for that? Like, someone tell me in the comments. I'm feeling like it should be a separate envelope, but excuse me, let me know what you guys think. You know, advice is all, any advice can be good advice, so please let me know. But car maintenance got $10 because, again, I do have to do an oil change soon, which, y'all, I'm prepped and prepared. Like, let's confirm real quick. Like, I think I have, so oil change for me I think is like $80, and right now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 121, 41, 51, 60, 61, and 62. I have $162. I can do my oil change, and I do need to get windshield wipers. So I think once I get both my oil change, I'm gonna get windshield wipers as well. But I'm still like building up my car maintenance fund. But of course that is a building up fund, a sinking fund, which is what it is, and then it's gonna be used and done. So yeah, I think there's gonna be new envelopes added next year too. Tell me, what envelopes do you guys think I should add that you guys think makes sense for me, you know, since I'm in this space now where I don't have such a heavy burden with my car maintenance. It's just now, you know, because I did all the updates and make sure everything was good. Now it's just now for me to keep that going. Travel still got $20 because she is going to be used in like T-3 or 4 days. Christmas got nothing because I'm even now still spending on my credit card. Not spending too much, but I'm still spending on my credit card. So yeah, $5 is for clothing. My birthday got $5. Family birthday got $5. 1 month ahead got $20. and emergency fund got $30. Nothing changed out of those, so I still got $95 here in my sinking funds, which everything, my cash envelopes, well, not really my cash envelopes, but my sinking funds did get less because I am, you know, like I said, putting majority of money into travel for leaving. But I did want to contribute something, and then my groceries still got a lot of money because your girl got to eat. Because one thing I'm gonna do is eat. I'm adjusting for my lifestyle change. So basically, guys, do that if you do have lifestyle change. So over here, my income is $3,440. My expenses is $2,369.33. My cash envelopes is $375. My additional savings is $70, and my sinking funds is $95. We have nothing for additional debt or blank, so that's fine. But yeah, guys, and so my carryover still remains $530.67, which is good, what I'm gonna start doing is, if I use money out of my bills account, then I'm gonna start adding it in like additional debt of things that I bought. I don't know, something like that, because I think that would be fair. Like, hello. You know what I'm saying? Like, it would be fair if you use money out of the bills account, baby girl, then you should account for spending that. So I think I'm gonna start doing that now, because sometimes I do be using the excess that I'm estimated for my bills account. But baby, it's also December, so that might be a little tricky, but we digress. Anyways, guys, that is me closing out paycheck number 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. 25 full days of videos. Wow. This is my first time doing this, so I'm super excited. I think I'm doing really well, but yeah. Anyways, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this gave you perspective or something that you might be thinking about. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your 2 cents down in the comment box, because we would love to have your 2 cents, because your 2 cents add on to my 98 cents makes us $1, and we can do a whole lot with $1. Okay, so thanks, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.